Here is Jim Lentz with Self-Defense Options, and I want to tell you about an exciting seminar that he is offering, Women's Self-Defense. Jim defines self-defense as the ability to remove yourself and loved ones from a dangerous situation with as little effort and damage to yourself and others as possible. In Jim's 2-hour seminar, you will discover how to control distance, how to be aware of your surroundings, how to use your voice to draw the line, self-defense techniques for before a situation occurs, self-defense techniques for when you feel threatened, how to defend, attack, and escape an attacker, basic hand techniques to defend yourself, the strike points on the human body, tips on how to be aware at ATMs, how to distinguish phony police officers, how to avoid purse snatchers, pickpockets, and muggers, how to stay safe while traveling, how to defend yourself and your family at home, how to avoid carjacking, and much more. Go to www.selfdefenseopt.com today. Click the Buy Now button, and for a limited time only, receive 50% off your attendance to the next Women's Self-Defense Seminar through our Living Social offer. Or give Jim a call at 513-227-6744 for more information.